In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Google form with other teachers so you can collaborate, co-create questions, and manage responses together. Whether you're working on a school assessment, preparing a class survey, or you simply want another teacher to help edit your form, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google form in your browser. Make sure the form you want to share is fully loaded on your screen. Once you're there, look for the share icon at the top right corner. This is the button we'll use to give others access. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Share button. A small window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the teachers you want to collaborate with. As you type, Google will automatically suggest contacts, making the process even easier. You'll see a drop-down beside their email that controls what they can do with your form. By default, they might be set as responders, but we need to change this so they can help edit the form. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you enter the correct email for each teacher, double-check spelling, and confirm they're logged into the correct Google account. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent access issues later on. Once you've added the teachers' emails, change their role from responder to editor. This step is important because editors can modify questions, adjust settings, and help you maintain the form, while responders can only submit answers. After making the change, click Send to finalize the invitation. After you've completed these steps, your teachers will receive an email containing an editing link. They can open it immediately and start working with you on the same form, no interruptions, no extra steps. It's also a good idea to let them know to refresh the page if they don't see updates right away. Taking this extra step ensures smooth collaboration and keeps everyone on the same page. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share your Google Forms with other teachers easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?